So I'm here with Coach Derrick to talk a little bit about the PC program and specifically the open house success that a lot of his agents have had.
Yeah, thanks for having me. And I would love to talk about that.
Yeah. That's so we've been hearing like really great stories of some of your agents turning an open house weekend into transactions.
Right. Well, open houses are something that you have to do consistently, and you never know when that one day could turn into a $10,000 payday. For example, just this previous weekend, Kathy did an open house at a location for another Keller Williams agent, and somebody came in and they wanted to buy the home. And so they hired her to be their realtor. And she also found
Fantastic.
another family who also loved that home, who didn't put an offer in, but considered using her for future showings.
Oh, wow.
Mhm.
So she was able to take that one open house and translate it into one definitive transaction and one potential transaction.
Correct. Yeah.
That's excellent.
Yep. And it's what, three hours, 4 hours of work?
Yeah.
Mhm.
And Kathy is one of the agents that consistently has had her fees waived because she takes advantage of that incentive program.
Right. The incentive program is 4 open houses in the month, and you go on the Ubaldini Open House website and submit your open houses through the portal. It's that easy.
And some people ask me quite a bit if it only qualifies if they're using the open houses that they find through the site. And it actually qualifies for any Ubaldini open house.
That's
So
right.
it could be something that you get through Facebook or through a friend of yours that's an agent under the Ubaldini umbrella. As long as you're reporting those open houses back to us correctly using that tracker, any of those open houses will qualify.
And if you're having a hard time finding good open houses, I would highly suggest that you attend one of my open house classes that we do in the market center. I show agents how to find open houses using Matrix, how to create a custom display so that they can easily find homes, and what to look for in open houses. So it's a great class. It's an hour and a half, and you will walk away with a lot of information.
And what would you say to agents that are a little nervous about they've attended the classes, they feel like they're comfortable enough to do it, but they're a little nervous about getting started?
I would have a conversation with your coach, and I would also practice and role play with an experienced agent. Maybe even shadow a couple of more agents just to see how they operate. Reach out, and we can help get you in touch with somebody.
Yeah, I have a lot of agents that are always offering, experienced agents within our office that are offering to let anyone shadow them.
Yeah.
And I think that's a really cool way because then you build that networking relationship. You learn the way the agent likes their specific open houses to be held, and they know that you're following it to, their requirements. So they're going to call you next time they have an open house opportunity.
Right. The more that you do these open houses with agents and the more that you communicate with them, the better your odds are of getting a return phone call.
Excellent. Well, I love hearing that they have been so successful for your agents. I think that it's such a cool way to promote yourself, get those warm leads. And if it's done correctly, it really translates into transactions.
It definitely does. And again, the more that you do, the better your odds. So keep on doing them. Waive your monthly fees by doing 4 open houses a month and attend some classes.